Hey there, are you ready to blow up your YouTube views and become the go-to content creator? Let me show you how to make those eye-catching YouTube thumbnails that'll get you noticed and go viral. Step 1. Know your audience. Before you start designing, you need to know who you're creating for. Are you creating for kids, moms, or fitness enthusiasts? Understanding your audience will help you create thumbnails that resonate with them and attract their attention. Step 2. Be captivating. Make your thumbnails attention-grabbing. Use high-quality images or videos that are relevant to your content. Don't forget to use keywords and call-to-action buttons to encourage viewers to click on your video. Step 3. Keep it simple. Stick to 1 or 2 thumbnails per video. Having too many can confuse viewers and make it difficult for them to decide which video to watch. It's also a good idea to avoid clutter and keep your thumbnails clean. Step 4. Use vibrant colors. Choose colors that evoke emotions and grab the viewer's attention. Studies have shown that blue and green are the most engaging colors, so don't be afraid to use them. Step 5. Be creative. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Experiment with different shapes, fonts, and animations to create unique and eye-catching thumbnails. Step 6. Optimize for smaller screens. Ensure your thumbnails are optimized for smaller devices such as smartphones and tablets. Smaller screens can be frustrating for viewers, so make it easy for them to access your content. And there you have it. Follow these steps to create eye-catching, viral-themed YouTube thumbnails. Remember, the content is just as important as the visuals. So keep creating engaging, entertaining, and shareable content to attract a huge following. Good luck!